Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at the XTOOL D5 OBD2 Scanner. I spent time looking through information available across the internet to determine whether this diagnostic scanner is actually worth buying. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. One of its biggest strengths is full system diagnostics. Instead of only reading engine fault codes, the D5 can access important systems including the engine, ABS, airbag, and transmission on supported vehicles. This allows you to diagnose problems more accurately, clear warning lights after repairs, and avoid unnecessary trips to the repair shop. Live data is another feature that makes this scanner valuable. It can display multiple sensor readings simultaneously, allowing you to compare information in real time. Whether you're checking oxygen sensors, coolant temperature, fuel trims, or battery voltage, the live graphs make troubleshooting much easier than relying only on fault codes. The D5 also includes 10 popular maintenance and service functions that many entry-level scanners simply don't offer. Depending on vehicle compatibility, you can perform oil reset, electronic parking brake service, ABS bleeding, throttle relearn, TPMS reset, battery management system reset, steering angle sensor calibration, and injector coding. These functions can save hundreds of dollars by allowing you to perform routine maintenance at home. Vehicle coverage is another major advantage. The scanner supports most 1996 and newer OBDI vehicles from over 90 American, Asian, and European brands. It also supports modern CAN FD communication and FCA auto-auth compatibility, making it useful for many newer vehicles that basic scanners cannot fully diagnose. If you're shopping for a used vehicle, the XTOOL D5 becomes even more valuable. Before purchasing, you can scan the engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag systems for hidden trouble codes while checking live vehicle data that could reveal expensive problems. Spending a few minutes with the scanner could potentially save you thousands in unexpected repair costs. Ease of use is excellent as well. AutoVIN quickly identifies compatible vehicles, while the responsive 5.45-inch HD touchscreen and simple interface make navigation straightforward even for beginners. The built-in fault code library helps explain diagnostic trouble codes, making it easier to understand what's wrong before replacing parts. Another feature I really like is the lifetime free Wi-Fi software updates. Unlike many competing scanners that require expensive annual subscriptions, the D5 continues receiving updates at no additional cost, helping it remain useful as vehicle coverage expands. Of course, no scanner is perfect. Some advanced service functions depend on the specific vehicle, model year, and ECU support, so it's always worth confirming compatibility before purchasing. Also, while it performs many professional functions, it isn't intended to replace extremely high-end dealership diagnostic equipment. So after researching its specifications, customer feedback, and comparing it with competing diagnostic tools, would I recommend buying the XTOOL D5? Absolutely. If you're looking for an affordable scan tool that goes far beyond reading basic engine codes, this is one of the best values currently available. Overall, the XTOOL D5 delivers excellent diagnostics, useful maintenance functions, broad vehicle compatibility, lifetime free updates, and an easy-to-use interface. Whether you're maintaining your own vehicles, inspecting used cars, or expanding your home garage, it's a smart investment that can easily pay for itself over time. If you'd like to check the latest price and current deals, click the link below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more honest, research-based reviews, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our next review. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.